Welcome, entrepreneurs and innovators, to the ultimate guide on how to maximize your profits from the comfort of your home using AI. In today's video, we'll explore 5 ingenious strategies that leverage the power of artificial intelligence to unlock wealth and financial freedom. Proverbs 10:4, NIV, lazy hands make for poverty, but diligent hands bring wealth. So grab your notepads and let's dive into the world of AI-powered entrepreneurship. Ingenious way number 1. AI-powered content creation. Let's start with the backbone of online income, content creation. With AI-powered tools like Jarvis by Conversion.ai and Copy.ai, you can effortlessly generate high-quality blog posts, social media captions, and marketing materials in minutes. These platforms utilize advanced natural language processing algorithms to understand your prompts and craft compelling content tailored to your audience's preferences. Pair them with design tools like Canva and Adobe Spark for visually stunning graphics, and you've got a winning formula for attracting and engaging your audience. First things first, let's talk about finding your niche. Whether you're passionate about gaming, fashion, or cooking, knowing your audience is key. Once you've got that down, it's time to put AI to work for you. Check out these AI-powered content generators. With just a few clicks, you can have high-quality blog posts, scripts, or social media captions ready to go. No more staring at a blank screen, wondering what to write next. These tools are a game changer. And don't forget about video content. AI-driven editing software can help you create professional-looking videos in minutes. From adding special effects to perfecting your audio, these tools do it all, saving you time and effort. Now let's talk money. One way to monetize your content is through affiliate marketing. AI can help you identify the best products to promote to your audience, increasing your chances of earning commissions. Another key aspect of monetization is understanding your audience's behavior. AI analytics tools can provide valuable insights into what content resonates with your viewers, allowing you to tailor your strategy for maximum engagement and revenue. So there you have it, folks. With the help of AI tools, you can supercharge your content creation efforts and turn your passion into profit. Ingenious way number 2. AI-driven affiliate marketing. Next up, let's talk about affiliate marketing, a proven method for earning passive income online. With AI-driven affiliate marketing tools like Affiliatics, Affiliatizer, and Volume, you can identify high-converting products and services to promote to your audience. These platforms leverage machine learning algorithms to analyze data from affiliate networks and recommend products based on your niche and target audience. By integrating affiliate links into your content and leveraging AI-driven analytics, you can optimize your marketing strategy and maximize your earnings effortlessly. Now here's where AI comes into play. With AI-generated product recommendation tools like the one I have here, you can easily discover high-converting products that align with your audience's interests. These tools analyze vast amounts of data to suggest the best products for you to promote, saving you time and effort. Next up, let's talk about audience targeting. AI algorithms can analyze your audience's behavior and preferences, allowing you to create hyper-targeted marketing campaigns. By delivering personalized content to your audience, you'll increase the likelihood of conversions and maximize your affiliate earnings. But wait, there's more. With AI-generated content creation tools, you can effortlessly create compelling marketing materials, such as blog posts, social media captions, and videos. These tools use natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to generate high-quality content that resonates with your audience, driving more traffic to your affiliate links. Last but not least, it's crucial to track your performance and optimize your campaigns for maximum results. AI-powered analytics tools provide valuable insights into your campaign's performance, allowing you to identify trends, adjust your strategy, and scale your earnings. Ingenious way number 3. AI-powered social media management. Social media is a goldmine for entrepreneurs, but managing multiple platforms can be overwhelming. That's where AI-powered social media management tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, and Sprout Social come to the rescue. These platforms allow you to schedule posts, track engagement metrics, and analyze performance across various channels, all from one centralized dashboard. Additionally, AI-driven chatbots like ManyChat and ChatFuel automate customer support and lead generation on platforms like Facebook Messenger, streamlining your workflow and enhancing your online presence. As a content creator or influencer, effectively managing your social media presence is key to success. But with the help of AI-powered tools, you can streamline your workflow and supercharge your results. One of the most powerful features of AI-powered social media management tools is automated scheduling. With just a few clicks, you can plan and schedule your posts across multiple platforms in advance. This not only saves you time, but also ensures consistent and timely content delivery to your audience. Next up, let's talk about content creation. AI algorithms can analyze trending topics, hashtags, and user engagement data to generate content ideas that resonate with your audience. Whether it's writing catchy captions, creating stunning visuals, or even generating video clips, these tools can help you create high-quality content in minutes. AI-powered audience analysis tools provide valuable insights into your followers' demographics, interests, and behavior. By understanding your audience better, you can tailor your content to their preferences, increasing engagement and growing your following organically. Last but not least, it's essential to track your performance and optimize your strategy for maximum results. AI-powered analytics tools can analyze your social media metrics in real time, allowing you to identify trends, track conversions, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Ingenious way. Number 4, AI-driven freelancing. Freelancing is an excellent way to monetize your skills and expertise, and AI can help you stand out in a competitive market. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and TopTal leverage AI algorithms to match freelancers with clients based on their skills and experience. By optimizing your profile and utilizing AI-driven job recommendations, you can attract high-paying clients and secure lucrative projects from the comfort of your home. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or marketer, AI-powered freelancing platforms offer endless opportunities for remote work and financial success. Let's get started. Freelancing has never been more accessible, thanks to AI-powered tools that can help you streamline your workflow, find high-paying gigs, and stand out from the crowd. One of the most powerful tools in an AI freelancer's arsenal is job matching platforms. These platforms use algorithms to analyze your skills, experience, and preferences, matching you with relevant job opportunities that align with your expertise. Once you've landed a gig, AI-driven project management tools can help you stay organized and on track. From managing deadlines to tracking expenses, these tools ensure that you deliver high-quality work on time and within budget. Collaboration is key in the world of freelancing, and AI-powered collaboration platforms make it easier than ever to work with clients and colleagues remotely. These platforms facilitate communication, file sharing, and project tracking, allowing you to collaborate seamlessly from anywhere in the world. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of AI-driven freelancing is the opportunity for skills development. AI algorithms can analyze your work and provide personalized feedback and recommendations for improvement, helping you sharpen your skills and stay ahead of the curve. Ingenious way. Number 5, AI-powered trading and investing. Last but not least, let's explore the world of trading and investing, a proven strategy for building long-term wealth. With AI-powered trading platforms like Robinhood, eToro, and Alpaca, you can buy and sell stocks, cryptocurrencies, and other assets with ease. These platforms leverage machine learning algorithms to analyze market trends and identify profitable trading opportunities in real time. Additionally, AI-driven robo-advisors like Wealthfront, Betterment, and Wealthsimple use sophisticated algorithms to create personalized investment portfolios tailored to your financial goals and risk tolerance. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a novice investor, AI-powered tools can help you navigate the financial markets and achieve your wealth-building objectives. One of the most powerful tools in an AI trader's toolkit is stock analysis software. These programs use advanced algorithms to analyze market trends, news, and historical data, providing valuable insights into which stocks to buy, sell, or hold. But why stop there? AI-driven trading algorithms can automatically execute trades on your behalf based on predefined criteria and market conditions. This not only saves you time, but also eliminates emotions from the trading process, leading to more disciplined and profitable trading strategies. Managing your investment portfolio has never been easier, thanks to AI-powered portfolio management tools. These tools can help you diversify your investments, rebalance your portfolio, and optimize your asset allocation for maximum returns. Of course, trading and investing always come with risks, but AI can help mitigate those risks by providing real-time risk analysis and portfolio stress testing. By understanding your risk exposure, you can make more informed decisions and protect your investments. And there you have it, folks. 5 ingenious ways to make money from home using AI. Whether you're creating content, promoting affiliate products, managing social media, freelancing, or investing, AI-powered tools offer endless opportunities for remote work and financial success. So what are you waiting for? Harness the power of AI and start maximizing your profits from the comfort of your own home today. Thanks for watching, and until next time, Jesus loves you.